When it comes to cordless finish nailers, not all are created equal. While the Bosch delivers impressive performance, there are a few points you'll want to consider before making it your go-to tool. Stay tuned for those at the end of this review. The Bosch cordless finish nailer is built with durability and performance in mind, perfect for interior finishing tasks. This tool sports a robust, brushless motor housed in a compact, ergonomic body that promises both power and convenience. Designed to mimic the consistent power of a pneumatic nailer, this model cuts the need for compressors and hoses, adding freedom and flexibility to every job. But is the Bosch nailer really up to the task? One of the standout features is its 20-degree angled magazine, designed to accommodate tight spots, from baseboards to crown moldings. With a single charge, the included 2 amp-hour battery can drive up to 1,600 nails, making it ideal for extended projects. The intuitive control panel enables quick switches between single and bump fire modes, and an LED illuminates the workspace, which is helpful in low-light conditions. A dry fire lockout helps prevent damage by stopping the tool when you're down to your last 5 nails. Compared to its main competitor, the DeWalt 20V Max, Bosch's model edges out with smoother, tool-free jam clearing and a lighter, sleeker design that's slightly more ergonomic. Pricing lands around $350 to $400, competitive for a premium model of its caliber. If you're ready to make an upgrade, check out the Amazon link below for the latest deals and offers. So, what are the pros and cons of choosing the Bosch? Cons: heavier than some competitors, limited to 16-gauge nails only, battery life may vary under intensive use, priced on the higher end of the cordless nailer market. Pros: pneumatic-like power without compressor or hoses, long battery life, tool-free jam clearing for uninterrupted workflow, dry fire lockout prevents unnecessary blank firing, ergonomic, lightweight design with low recoil, LED lights for enhanced visibility, compatible with Bosch AmpShare battery system. For a powerful cordless finish nailer that doesn't skip on features or convenience, the Bosch is a top contender. To grab yours or see the latest price, check out the Amazon link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews, like the video, and drop any questions in the comments.